Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. I've got a little quick video for you. I wanted to show all of the customer thank you gifts that Oliver and I made this month. Yes, he helped me out again, and we decided we would go simple but pretty, and that was partly because I lost much of June in travelling, and also because he was doing his SATs, his exams, before going up to secondary school. So we decided to keep it simple. So he did all of this stamping here on the front. So we decided we were going to do a mix. So as you can see, the paper is absolutely gorgeous on the front. Look at that shine. That's the new Splendid Day paper. I was going to say Splendid Sweet, it's not, it's Splendid Day. So this one is soft sea foam. There's also this one. This one is, I think this is the copper one, but there's actually 6 different ones. They're all very slightly different. I've got some more under here. Are these different? No, that's the same as that one. Here we go. Here's a different one with a little bee on the front. So this one is the soft sea foam. Actually, no, that might be mint macaron. That one's the same, and this one is different. Ah, here we go. Here's the petal pink, and that's the copper. So that's all 6 different ones there. And just lovely. And so we used the Splendid Day Designer Series paper with the matching background cardstock, but then we mixed it up and I went annual catalogue for my stamping and punching, and this is a bundle that's called Lovely and Lasting. So it's this one here, and then thank you up there. And I will say it's a photopolymer, and Oliver did reposition a couple of times and it wibbled it, so it meant that I couldn't punch out perfectly. I think these ones are all fine, but I couldn't punch out perfectly, so that's a top tip for you if you're using an 11-year-old boy to help you out. But yeah, we just kept it simple but pretty. So the punching, so that it's Sahara Sand on the outside and then Fresh Freesia on the inside, to match that one in particular. But then along with the card and the newsletter that I write for everybody, these are my gifts this month. So make sure if you're shopping with me to use your hostess code. And I went for the brushed brass butterflies, which are lovely. They're really, really nice, and managed to temporarily sell them out. Oops. Sorry, it's because I bought so many. And then a clear block G, which is a really good one if you've got lots of sentiments. And we've got quite a lot of single line sentiments. So I think Oh Hello would fit on that one. Cheers probably would as well. But yeah, we've got quite a lot. And I think I've got 3 of these because it's a really frequently used block. So everybody got those, and a card and a newsletter. So don't forget to shop with me this month. I've just ordered some really, 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 really exciting goodies for my July shoppers. Make sure you're one of them. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.